Hi, my name is Kei van Horik and I work at ESW Capital. I'm so happy you could find the time to meet us today. I know you were interested in collaborating with one of the companies in our group and you would like to know more about us. Is that correct? Yeah. Well, I'm not going to present you a whole lot of slides because I think it's more important that we get to know each other. And as you can see, we truly believe that we are an organization with people you can trust. And that's, of course, in your best interest, as relationships only go as far as the people who know the people. Um, ESW Capital has been around since 1988, so you can imagine how many generations already have been through the company and have been growing knowledge and learning along the line. We are very happy with the acquisition of this company, and we have a strategy where we um, are in it for the long run. So if we decide to buy a company, we are there to straighten it and to grow business for all the group. And that means that we will not sell the company in short term again. It doesn't mean that the people who are working there currently will be squeezed. That's not at all the goal. We want to empower both our acquisitions and, of course, their customers. That's the most important thing to us. That actually makes us go and tick. Um, our strength is also your advantage. And what we mean by that is that we have a special program. Whenever you have a license for a company that's within our group, you can actually add more products without having to pay for those. So that means that if you start with us and there are maybe some other applications that you run currently and you're looking into improving those, or there's a similar or better solution within the group, you can try those and won't have any extra cost. That actually means that you have more resources to reinvest in your company and grow from there. And that's what we mean with this um, strategy where we are all in there for the long run. Like, this is not a usual company that's there to just land grab. And then the last thing I would like to introduce to you is that we work with Crossover, and that's a revolutionary recruiting platform. That means that all the recruitment that are happening within our group use this platform, but it's also something I would like to introduce to you because I think everyone today who has a successful growing company is looking for the right people. And this is yeah, something that really also changed my mind looking at recruitment across the globe. Because it's possible to hire remote teams, and that actually gives you access on candidates across the globe. So you're not only limited to the people who are living here and who you actually know through your own network, but you can assess them and get a profound insight on what kind of candidates you have, no matter where they are. So we are very much looking forward in this collaboration and to go ahead. And if you have any questions, I'm available, but of course, my colleagues are as well. Thank you so much.